This is a prophecy for Nigeria. My name is Prophet Oro Henrybet, and God spoke to me about Nigeria in recent times. God said he wants to do something in Nigeria. Aso Rock, Aso Rock, Aso Rock. Aso Rock, Nigeria. Please, Nigerians, get ready, be prepared. There is something God says he wants to do in your country, in your nation. From the 25th to the 28th of February 2026, it will happen. God says he wants to do something, and it will start at Aso Rock. The news at Aso Rock will not be easy. Because I saw the headlines, I saw the news, I saw Aso Rock. It will not be easy. Don't forget the date of today. Today is the 27th of January 2026. But take note of the 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th of February 2026. There is a news that will not be good. It will hit Nigeria. So if you are watching this video at this time, please share this information. Be in prayers. Keep your ears open. God's word is coming to pass. God says he has heard the cry of his people, and he's going to do something. So Nigerians, get ready. Your time has come. Get ready. Your time has come. My name is Prophet Oro Henrybet. God's word is coming to pass. Please follow, share, and save. We'll be back for confirmations. God bless you.
We lift up our voice through valleys of trial. His promise is near. His spirit will guide us. His love cast out fear. With hands joined in worship, with hearts full of grace, we carry his light to each nation and place. Church info, the voice of the church, proclaiming the gospel, the power of his word. Together in spirit, in faith we rejoice, united forever. We lift up our voice. Let every tongue and nation sing glory and honor to our King. The church alive, his kingdom come. All praise to Christ, the risen Son. Church info, the voice of the church, proclaiming the gospel, the power of his word. Together in spirit, in faith we rejoice, forever God's people.